All right, for this lesson, you are reading a short story called How the Milky Way Came to Be. It is a Cherokee legend. So it's a Native American legend. And a legend is a story that's been passed down by word of mouth through generations. It's not nonfiction, but it's sort of treated as a story that's like, well, maybe this is true, or maybe this culture thinks it's true, but isn't necessarily for sure true, if that makes sense. There's a lot of unknown about it, but it's a story that's been passed down through a certain culture, in this case, the Cherokee culture. So you're reading this story about how the Milky Way came to be. Now, the Milky Way is in the sky. It's the galaxy we're in. Let me find a picture of the Milky Way. Okay, so you can see sort of as you look, this is like a very dramatic picture of it. You can kind of see this grouping of stars and planets and everything, and we are part of that galaxy. Our solar system is part of the Milky Way galaxy. Ooh, aren't those cool pictures? Anyway, so this is a Cherokee legend about how it came to exist. Just going to highlight a couple things. Notice in the first question, you have to circle two words with a long O, as in ooh, underline three words that should say short, ooh, as in book. So we have circle two that say ooh, underline three that say all right? Now, a couple more questions. What was it? How did people react? Underline your support. How does it relate to the story? What inferences about Cherokee life can you make from the legend? Okay, that's another one I want to highlight. So what things can you figure out about Cherokee people, at least how they used to live according to the legend? Now, a lot of Native Americans live in a very similar way to everyone else in America. Still some differences, but much more similar. But what can you infer about their life at this time, at least? Sort of more ancient, historically, what they might have eaten, how they lived, things like that. All right? I am here to help if you have any questions. You can do it.